cultures tell you certain things, and there is some truth to it. I'm
Yes.
not saying that just because I've not seen or experienced anything doesn't mean it doesn't exist. Okay,
Okay.
but certain.
Yes. Hello. Hi, ma'am.
How are
I'm
you
good.
today?
I'm good, ma'am. And my day
But-
was good.
Okay, okay, okay. So, have you gone through the session document? Do you want to talk about it?
Yes, I have seen it, that topic about ghost, ma'am. And let me
About
know first,
paranormal
ma'am.
activity. Yeah,
Sorry. I
paranormal
just
activity.
okay, paranormal activity, yes, ma'am. And something about ghost also, na, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes.
So,
So
what do you understand by paranormal activity?
paranormal activity means something about means I
Hmm.
don't know exactly means paranormal activity means some normal activity or some weird activity means.
Yeah, the activity which is beyond normal. That is something that one cannot explain.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So, tell me, Shahid, uh,
Mhm.
do you believe in ghosts?
No, I don't believe ghost, but
Hmm.
because of that, uh, I think ghost doesn't exist in this world.
Hmm. Okay.
Yes,
Why do you think so?
because it is only illusion. And
It's
why I
only an
am
illusion. Okay, fair enough.
it is
And
okay. Illusion means paranormal. It is a synonym word, ma'am.
illusion would be something that does not exist, but you think it does. So
Okay.
yeah, you're right. It's an illusion according to you. And have you never had an experience with a ghost or something like that?
No, I haven't experienced. I told you, as I told you, ma'am, it is just illusion. Yeah, but if you talk about jinn and witch, so yeah, jinn and witch exist in this world, ma'am. Yes,
Exist in
but
this world. And why would you say that they exist?
you're talking about means
Jinns.
jinn. Okay, because in my society, one incident happened. So
Mm-hmm.
I had seen in my own eyes. That's why I believe.
Okay, you've seen with your own eyes. Can you explain the incident that happened?
Yes, okay, I will try. Um,
Mm-hmm.
Actually, what happened in my society? One boy, he worked, he worked far away in home. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
one day he he was coming on the he was coming uh to the
Back
home.
from his work?
Yes, he was coming to the home
Mm-hmm.
and midnight. Okay, and that place isolated. That place was deserted. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so he was coming, and then after when he reached home, and then after ma'am, next day on at night maybe, but because I had seen another day that incident happened at midnight. At okay, so then that person, his voice very heavy, and he
Was
acting.
very heavy as in?
Yes, his voice very heavy. It's not normal voice.
Okay, his voice was very heavy.
Yeah, it was not normal.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and another thing, he behaved like very weird. Yes.
Very weird. Okay. And what had caused that?
What does mean, ma'am? Cause that means
Due to what reason had all of that happened to him, according to
because
you?
of
Mhm.
because of because he got because Jin caught him, because
Okay.
Jin caught, so that's
Okay.
why he behaved like that. Then after his parents, he went to the mosque and then who has knowledge, who has good knowledge about the holy of book. So
Mm-hmm.
then he got one person, we call Imam Sahab. So then he uh, whole incident he told him. Then after he came his home, and then after he did some chanting, sorry, he did some
He
chanting.
chanted some holy verses.
Yes, he chanted some holy words, and then after that jinn had gone.
Okay. So we say mosque, not mosque. It's
Yes,
mosque.
mosque. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So yes, that incident seems very intense. Okay. So tell me,
Yes,
do you there are a lot of videos around us on YouTube and other videos that are circulated via WhatsApp and social media sites uh,
ma'am.
that claim that there is a ghost in the video and something like that. Do you believe in that?
No, I don't believe in that videos because that might be uh, making. Yes, and
They might be fake, is what
that
you mean.
might be fake. That might be fake, but not all video. But maybe some video will be right. Would be right. Yes,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me, do you believe any shows that are about paranormal activities, such as ghost pictures and something? Do you watch scary movies or something like that?
No, no, I haven't watched any horror movie. Because of that, I think if I watch horror movie,
Mm-hmm.
so then automatically, my mind, uh, some illusion will be create.
Created. Okay. Makes
And
sense. Yeah.
yes. So then after automatically, because of illusion, then I will think about, yeah. Then I will scared about in then I will scared where I
You
will
will
go.
be scared.
Yes,
I will be scared is correct.
yes.
So
I will
right,
be scared.
yeah,
I will
right
be
now
scared.
you told me a story about jinn,
Hmm.
right? So what, according to you, what do you think these jinns are?
Gene, okay.
Think
No, I
about it.
don't have. I don't have any idea about Jin, ma'am. Yeah, some I know only some Jin he is good and some Jin he is bad. Only I know this thing.
Okay, you think jinns are good and jinns are bad.
Yes, ma'am.
And what, according to you, had happened to that boy? Had
Mhm.
he met a bad jinn or a good jinn?
No, that person bad Jin, ma'am. Yes, he had got bad Jin.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. And tell me, you believe in jinns, but you don't believe in ghosts, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am. And witch as well, ma'am. I
Which,
believe
as in, why do you believe in witches? What do you think they are?
because uh, it is just illusion also, but I haven't seen which in any incident I haven't seen. But because of villager people, they says, and when I go to the village, so they so there's a environment is like a uh, elder people say don't go outside, and there's a witch. So it is just illusion, might be, but I'm not sure. Yes.
Okay, okay. And why, with what? Because you're very certain that ghosts don't exist. Tell me, why are you so certain? Tell me, how can you say with this certainty, this surety, that they don't exist?
Because of I haven't seen it, and
Okay.
and and even I don't know any people who means says, yeah, really, I have seen the ghost. Nobody is say like that. Yeah, because Jin, I have seen it. That's why I believe.
You've
So do
seen
you
the
see?
Sachin.
Have you
Okay.
seen it, ma'am? Ghost or Jin?
I haven't seen anybody. I think It is very, how do I say, it's very subjective. Some people have around us, and some people claim that they have seen something, they've seen one thing or the other, but I mostly believe it's mainly your own mind playing tricks on you.
Okay.
Okay, so people hallucinate, as in they see what's unreal.
Hmm.
Their brain creates an image. For example, sleep paralysis. Many people used to tell you that someone sits on you and you are not able to move, right?
Hmm.
When we're sleeping, I mean. Okay,
Yes.
that's called sleep paralysis. But then again, it's very mental. It's
Yes.
caused due to the hyperactivity of your brain,
Okay. Yes.
right? So, science has an explanation for a lot of things. And I used to get sleep paralysis a lot, but
Yes.
now I don't. I'm much better.
Okay.
But I used to get it. And I used to be scared, but then I stopped fighting. Then I started being very calm and, meditating. Then, then it stopped. Gradually, it stopped.
Okay. So,
Okay.
what do you think about a ghost, man? Ghost and jinn? They
Um,
exist.
I don't know actually. I mean, I haven't seen ghosts. I don't
Okay.
believe in like any paranormal thing that is out to harm you. Okay. Like I said, mostly it's your mind playing tricks on you. And about jinns, because I come from a place which has history of jinns and there are paranormal activities around us, so I won't rule it out. In
Okay.
our place, the elders or you know the religious people, the higher ups like imams and qazis, they tell you to stay away from places like graveyards,
Yes.
okay, like shrines, as in don't do anything mischievous there, don't steal from there, don't bring your shoes in, don't laugh loudly, be covered, and don't do any kind of ill activity there.
Yes.
So that way I think you won't, it's often said in our place that you will avoid the unknown, and if you do anything bad, you will invite the unknown.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So yeah, our place happens to be very vulnerable that way, that there are jinns here and stuff like that. So, but I think like I said, it depends on you, mostly it's your mind playing tricks on you.
Okay. Okay. So,
Okay.
ma'am, uh,
Mm-hmm.
so, uh, so you don't believe. Okay. So,
Mm-hmm.
as well, jinn also you don't believe about jinn.
I'm not saying I don't believe.
Most of the time, ma'am, I think means if you're alone any deserted place, so
Mm-hmm.
then probability will be high to catch the jinn. Means they catch you. Means if you are alone and if you are any isolated place or something deserted place, if you are alone there, so and some fragrance you put in your body, so then probability will be high to they jinn.
Probability will be that you will attract something. Is that what you
Yes,
mean?
yes,
Okay.
ma'am. That
Yeah, yeah. So, I also believe, Shahid, that there are superstitions around the world. There are
okay.
cultures, okay, and several cultures tell you certain things, and there is some truth to it. I'm
Yes.
not saying that just because I've not seen or experienced anything doesn't mean it doesn't exist. Okay.
Okay.
But certain cultures, like your culture, tells you a different experience. Mine tells you different. Bengali culture, on the other hand, tells you something else.
Yes.
South Indian culture tells you something else. Maharashtrian culture tells you something else. So what happens is every culture has its own set of superstitions, own set of myths or folklores, and I believe there's a little truth to that. As in, you don't have to dismiss it, but you have to respect it.
Absolutely.
Like if someone tells you here, when we go through the jungles or something, so we're told that, don't do anything bad here, don't pollute the water.
Mhm.
Okay. Don't Men usually they go and urinate anywhere, right?
Yes.
They're
Yes.
told to not do it.
Yes.
Okay, don't go to a clear stream and pollute it. Don't go to a forest and do bad things there, as in smoke there or do any kind of drugs there. So
Yes,
people have this set of superstitions that you'll attract bad energy, and I really believe in that.
yes, yes,
Doing
absolutely.
bad things at a good place will agitate the supernatural there. I really believe that.
Yes, absolutely, ma'am. I do agree with your point.
Right? Tell me what set of belief, these myths are around you. Like you said, you might attract some bad energy. What else is taught in your culture?
Means like uh, how can I explain?
Mm-hmm.
Like suppose in midnight, uh, uh, no, I can't explain. Means any kind of thing. Means if suppose if you are not take a bath,
Mm-hmm.
okay,
Mm-hmm.
so then you will not go the bad place. You will not go the good place. If
Okay.
you are, so if you will go there, so that probability will be high to catch him. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So you have to be clean and pure, is
Yes.
what you mean, before going to
Yes.
any place.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Like I said, these are cultural things, and there is some truth to it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that brings us almost to the end of the session. I like the confidence, Shahid. Although you've had a session with me just yesterday. Try to frame your sentences correctly.
Okay,
Sentence
ma'am.
sentence formation needs to be better. Again, I've told you that reading is necessary.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Watching others is also very necessary.
Yes, ma'am.
Try to watch YouTube videos of your favorite celebrities speaking in English, as in giving interview, giving a speech. That will also help you. Reading will give you an idea how to frame a sentence, Shahid. But keep trying. I really like the attitude where you're trying.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm
I'm working for that, ma'am.